The Zoom XYH-5, the shock-mounted stereo microphone capsule. It features two matched unidirectional condenser microphones set at a 90-degree angle. The package also includes a warranty card. The XYH-5 has shock-mounted microphones to minimize vibrations and handling noise. The XYH-5 features an analog-style gain control. It has a 3.5mm TRS input to connect an external microphone or line input. The XYH-5 easily connects to compatible Zoom devices, such as the Zoom H5, H6, or F1.